Yep. Welcome. My name is Bradley, and I'll be showing you how to use the Microsoft Word. What I want to look at today is the word art. There is this part when you click on Instate, you will find um, a word art, which is this one right here. And I want to show you how to use the word art. So first of all, you click on the word art. You pick it, you type anything you want to type, like we talked about in the other lesson, or you type, for example, WordClass. Now the university, yeah, WordClass University. Okay, so a number of changes, like we talked about in the previous lesson, was what we talked about. You can change, add changes here, the colors. You can combine them from here like that. You know, you can change the text, their effects, the reflections. You know, you can see that kind of work. There's more you can do by clicking right there. You can change that way. You know, a number of things that you can add. We've got also the glowing part. You want it to glow. You can add different types of shadows from here. And then there's what we call the bevel. It looks that way. You can see that we talked about this. There's also 3D rotations, so the work can change that way from here. Then we have transformation. It can change around the follow path. It can go that way, this way. You can see that different types of our effects in 2016 Microsoft Word. So that's about Word. Now I want to show you a part where you add also different changes. So when you right click right here on this line like that, it's going to show you format shape. So you click there on the format shape. You see this part we show the field, or you can add gradients on field inside the table, or you can add picture inside the table. You just have to come here, choose the kind of textures that you want to use, maybe that kind of texture, this type of texture. It'll go inside there. Also, there's what we call the pattern field. You can click there, add different patterns right in this work. You can click there, change the color of the patterns, pattern colors, that type or this type, or the blocked one, all this kind of pattern color, and design. You can change, you can do anything. On the gradients, we also have different types of designs. You can see that kind of design already, like presets, for example, already designed. The linears can change like that. Rectangulars which would change that way. The path type will go like square that way. On the line, number of things inside on the square. You can add the kind of color, you can combine the colors together. So Word actually can do a lot of things. You can change the ingredients stops like that inside, or make it more brighter side like that. It's all entirely up to you what you do. See that? Working on the same work like that. So basically that's about the word. Okay, we're gonna proceed. I want to show you now how to drop uh, the pictures in Word. So I'll take out this word, go back on Insert and click on Pictures. So when you click on Pictures, we must have already pictures set out like that. You can just pick a picture like that and then drop it in here. If I scroll up, it will look this way. So I can change this picture. All I have to do is click right here, take it inside a little bit, like that. You can see that's a picture. There's a lot that I can do to this picture. I can format the picture by coming right here. Watch this. When I click outside, the word format on top right here on the menu bar will disappear. When I click on the object, the format button, the format word shows, which means I can do a number of things. One of the things I can do is click right here and then go straight to this kind of a frame. These are called frames, picture styles. Go back right there, I can change to that kind of design. Okay, so I'll pick another picture. So for me to drop in another picture, I have to click outside. If I don't click outside, what's going to happen is the new picture that I'll bring inside the document will replace the existing picture. So I have to click outside. Sorry for that. So when I click outside, like that, I go back on the picture. I pick picture from here. I'm gonna pick picture of myself. That comes very big. So what do? I'm gonna have to resize it that way. Again, resize it. So resizing, I'm using the corner here, the corners. That way. Then I'll come back here, then add the same design. That, so you see that? So I can press enter there. So the case is gonna come down right here. I'll go back on Insert, get another picture. I'll get JP Morgan's picture, bring it down that way, then I'll resize the picture again. Okay, then come right here, pick the same. Click outside, go back on Insert, pictures. I'll get the entrepreneur picture, business. Again, resize it. See, when I resize again, it's gonna fit right here. I'll use the same effect because that's to look beautiful. It shouldn't be disorganized. So some of the pictures have gone on the second page because there's no space. So I have to resize this to create some space. Great, so we got space right there. All right, so you see we have these pictures like that. So I can put two more. Yep, you see our space, I guess. I can put two more pictures. Go back on Insert, picture. I'm gonna pick our logo. Yep, great, there it is. And go right here, pick the same thing. Then after that, come a little bit down again, resize it so it can go up. It's up right here. Now you see the frame didn't work out for our logo, so I can maybe leave it like that. It's okay. Go back on Insert, get another picture. Alright, then I'm gonna pick that picture. Alright, so research, international employability. Okay, teaching or like that, bring it down that way. Okay, here we are. So that's framing the pictures. You can put frames. I can double click right here to type something. I'm going to use, for example, typing something. I can just double click right here like that. It's going to give me this kind of part of the header. Then I can type word class. Maybe I need something to be there, right here. Okay. University. Okay, I can edit the university theme, center it, double click again outside right here. Yeah, so back right here. So you can actually close the header right here. I'll just go on design, then close it. So it's that way. So if I want to see the entire work I've done, I want to view, just go on file, I say print. I'm not going to print, but I just want to view the entire thing. So I say print. It's going to show well designed, well saved, well structured pictures in Microsoft Word. Thank you for paying attention. Till then.